$100 a month. Did you know that more than half of Americans don't even have a $1,000 emergency fund? On the surface, many people seem financially stable. They have decent jobs, nice cars, and a middle-class lifestyle. But the truth is that a single unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, or a job loss, can quickly push them into debt. Now here's the surprising part. What if I told you that changing your financial future doesn't require $1 million business, a winning lottery ticket, or a six-figure salary? In fact, you can start building real wealth with just $100 a month. And today, I'll show you exactly how that small amount can turn into a surprisingly large fortune over time. When people think about wealth, they usually imagine Wall Street traders, celebrity investors, or tech billionaires. But real wealth building is actually pretty boring. The secret isn't intelligence. The secret isn't luck. And it's definitely not getting rich overnight. The real formula is simple: consistency, time, and compound interest. Most people fail financially not because they don't make enough money, but because they can't stay consistent long enough to let their investments grow. If you can consistently invest just $100 every month, you're already doing something that many people never manage to do. Let's look at the numbers. Imagine investing $100 every month and earning an average annual return of 8%. That's actually lower than the long-term historical average return of the S&P 500. After 10 years, you'd have roughly $18,000. Not bad. But here's where things get interesting. If you continue investing that same $100 every month for 20 years, your money starts growing much faster. And if you stay consistent for 40 years, your portfolio could grow to more than $350,000. Think about that for a second. Over those 40 years, you personally contributed only $48,000. Yet your account ends up worth more than $350,000. Where did the extra money come from? Compound interest. Your money begins earning returns. Then those returns earn returns. And over time, the growth becomes exponential. That's why compound interest is often called the most powerful force in investing. At this point, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but where am I supposed to find an extra $100 every month? There are two simple answers. First, reduce expenses. Take a look at your subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, apps you barely use. Small recurring expenses often go unnoticed, but they can add up to thousands of dollars over time. Second, increase your income. Today, it's easier than ever to earn extra money through freelancing, side hustles, online work, or part-time opportunities. Even an additional $100 a month invested consistently can completely change your long-term financial future. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's also about mindset. One of the most powerful financial habits is something called pay yourself first. Instead of investing whatever money is left over at the end of the month, invest first. Treat your monthly investment like a bill that must be paid. Better yet, automate it. When investing happens automatically, you remove emotion, procrastination, and excuses from the equation. Over time, your perspective begins to change. You stop seeing $100 as spending money and start seeing it as thousands of dollars that your future self could have. Here's the most important lesson from this video. Your greatest asset isn't your house, it isn't your car, and it isn't even your job. Your greatest asset is time. The earlier you start investing, the more time compound interest has to work for you. Every year you wait costs you future growth. There's a famous saying in investing, the best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The market will go up. The market will go down. Volatility is normal. But those who stay invested and remain consistent are usually the ones who win in the long run. So the question is, are you ready to start building your financial freedom? If you are, leave a comment below saying "Start," and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on investing, wealth building, and financial freedom. See you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. All investments involve risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before